Promises of pleasure lurked in every corner. When I first came into this town as a funky no-class foreigner, I had stranger written over me from head to toe. When I acted her to learn, Lou never says hello. I still feel the tension each time I pull the brake up, sliding down 7th Ave with just Jamaican makeup, tripping over garbage cans, smelling like hoe. Who sold the farm to find out why Lou never says hello? Lou never says hello. Second I broke free from that god-awful traffic. TV crews engulfed me, urging me to make it graphic. Hello. Don't ask me for facts in chronological succession. Just by accident I found the answer to the whole God question. Hard pressed for a quote, I said I only wanna know why this whole damn town assumes Lou never says hello. Lou never says hello. Lou never says hello. Looking at me like, how can you be so disconnected? Shoot, I just stroll around the block while Mr. Quid Pro Quo slam fucks the wall and swears to God Lou never says hello. I left the luggage on the street, feeling like a winner. Smoke came up, I started coughing like a Nice Berliner. Toilets overflowed, I just had to give a sloppy Joe to that cracker cunt screaming, Lou never says hello. Lou never says hello. 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 Ask not when the sun was hot, why my brothers were shot. I'm not a Kennedy, a family wrapped in plastic sheet. On a day like today, won't save you from the heat. I'm not a Kennedy, I'm not a Kennedy. Baby, go ahead, it's okay to dream. The blood flows in my veins are not what they seem. I won't make you shine, make you swoon. All the love you give me may not land you on the moon. No, I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not a Kennedy. I could not be a Kennedy if you put a gun against my head. No, I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not a Kennedy. I'm not a Kennedy. I must admit I lied when you asked me when was the last time I cried. And I said it must have been when the president died. Love is stronger than pride. Life's a mystery no one understands. Steering wheel of history is right in your hands. Step on it now and make the truth your own. Don't panic finding your way out the maze. Stay above the ground, set yourself ablaze. Rip off that suicide note, step up to the front. Dangerous times demand dangerous songs. Feel the love and take it right where it belongs. You will have the praise, you will take the bows, and be the one who gets to piss the queen in the mouth. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey! Neue Schmerzen, neue Freude. Die Macht gehüllt dem Fegefeuer. Es wirft seine Flammen aufs Nachbargebäude. Was gestern noch neu war, wird morgen noch viel neuer. Ich flüchte mich in Gebete aus früheren Zeiten und flehe zu Gott. Kannst du dich bitte entscheiden? Er schweigt, denn auch er sieht schon von Weitem. Die Kaiserin braucht sich gar nicht mehr kleiden. Sie zieht sich nur aus, Stück für Stück. Beherrschung hat ihren Preis. Wahrscheinlich hab ich heute Abend schon Glück, denn ich verstehe, sie ist heiß. Das Volk a Nobel Peace Prize winner. And she shows up hours late, sees herself waving a napkin, doesn't understand the menu, mispronounces every item, finally orders the main course, then again waving her napkin when she wants a different main course, constantly licking her knife. Have you ever had dinner? Have you ever had dinner? Have you ever had dinner? Have you ever? Speaking on the phone, she snaps her fingers at the waitress, screams the silverware's bent, complains the glasses sorrow shed, a slurping soup she wastes her napkin as a yelling for more napkins. She proceeds to tell the waitress, quit a job and be an actress. Just around closing time, she wants to have dessert, then she wants to see the chef, wants to see his supervisor, tells when she was in her teens. She hid behind the scenes with countless presidents and queens, all the while picking her teeth. Have you ever had dinner? Have you ever had dinner? Have you ever had dinner? Have you ever? Have you ever had dinner with? All throughout the dinner I felt like a total sinner for not knowing right from wrong or how we'd ever get along. I wonder if losing her face could help us save the human race, when a soft kiss in an egg would make her leave me with the check. You up my rage alone, you can make it to the throne. You simply drop a bomb, and when you do, you just take home the winner. Gets away with murder, no, I wouldn't want to hurt her. If she brought me to my knees, I'm sure I'd kill for love and peace. I'm sure I'd kill for love. I'm sure I'd kill for peace. I'm sure I'd kill for love. I'm sure I'd kill for peace. I'm sure I'd kill for love. I'm sure I'd kill.